Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Now we got a little Family Dollar haul here to show you. And let's get started. First, we got the Total Disposal Hot Wheels Recycling. Also picked up Matchbox Koenigsegg Gemera, or whatever you pronounce that. Ain't a bad looking car. Not bad looking at all. We got a mailed it. HWPS, always on time. Bad looking little twin turbo. Mailed it. We got a Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. Big old truck. More desert dual trucks. And we got a tread shredder, little motorcycle. About that. And we got another mailed it, a white one. The other one was a blue one. Get your mail on time. Get your mail quick. Then we got an 87 Audi Quattro. Audi Quattro. New for 2024. It's not bad. Then I got a 5-pack I picked up. It's the HW Drift. Got a 13 Ford Mustang GT, 17 Camaro ZL1, bulletproof, whatever that is, custom 18 Ford Mustang GT, and a Nissan Silvia. Must be the bulletproof right there. But anyway, a little haul from the Family Dollar. Just wanted to show it to you. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, and we'll be back for some more. Thank you. Bye.